Title and copyright. Springer Proceedings in Physics 283. Chengmin Liu, editor. Proceedings of the 23rd Pacific Basin Nuclear Conference, Volume 1. PBNC 2022, 1-4, November, Beijing and Chengdu, China. Open access. Springer. Springer Proceedings in Physics 283. Indexed by Scopus. The series Springer Proceedings in Physics, founded in 1984, is devoted to timely reports of state-of-the-art developments in physics and related sciences. Typically based on material presented at conferences, workshops and similar scientific meetings, volumes published in this series will constitute a comprehensive up-to-date source of reference on a field or subfield of relevance in contemporary physics. Proposals must include the following. 1. Name, place and date of the scientific meeting. 2. A link to the committees, local organization, international advisors, etc. 3. Scientific description of the meeting. 4. List of invited, plenary speakers. 5. An estimate of the planned proceedings, book parameters, number of pages, articles, requested number of bulk copies, submission deadline. Please contact. For Americas and Europe, Dr. Zachary Evanson. Zachary.evanson@springer.com. For Asia, Australia and New Zealand, Dr. Loyola da Silva. Loyola.dasilva@springer.com. Chengmin Liu, editor. Proceedings of the 23rd Pacific Basin Nuclear Conference, Volume 1. PBNC 2022, 1-4, November, Beijing and Chengdu, China. Springer. Editor, Chengmin Liu, Nuclear Power Institute of China, Chengdu, China. ISSN 0930-8989. ISSN 1867-4941, electronic. Springer Proceedings in Physics. ISBN 978-981-99-10229. ISBN 978-981-99-10236, ebook. https://doi.org/10.10.107/978-981-99-1023-6. Copyright the editors, if applicable, and the authors 2023. This book is an open access publication. Open access. This book is licensed under the terms of the Creative Commons Attribution 4.0 International License. http://creativecommons.org/licenses/by/4.0/closing parenthesis. Which permits use, sharing, adaptation, distribution and reproduction in any medium or format, as long as you give appropriate credit to the original authors and the source, provide a link to the Creative Commons license and indicate if changes were made. The images or other third-party material in this book are included in the book's Creative Commons license, unless indicated otherwise in a credit line to the material. If material is not included in the book's Creative Commons license and your intended use is not permitted by statutory regulation or exceeds the permitted use, you will need to obtain permission directly from the copyright holder. The use of general descriptive names, registered names, trademarks, service marks, etc. in this publication does not imply, even in the absence of a specific statement, that such names are exempt from the relevant protective laws and regulations and therefore free for general use. The publisher, the authors, and the editors are safe to assume that the advice and information in this book are believed to be true and accurate at the date of publication. Neither the publisher nor the authors or the editors give a warranty, expressed or implied, with respect to the material contained herein or for any errors or omissions that may have been made. The publisher remains neutral with regard to jurisdictional claims in published maps and institutional affiliations. This Springer imprint is published by the registered company Springer Nature Singapore Private Limited. The registered company address is 152 Beach Road, number 2101, 04 Gateway East, Singapore 189721, Singapore.